Onions, a staple in kitchens worldwide, have a long and fascinating history that spans thousands of years. They are believed to have originated in Central Asia, in the region encompassing parts of modern-day Iran and Pakistan. Historical records show that onions were cultivated in ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Mesopotamia, and India. Ancient Egyptians not only used onions in cooking but also in religious rituals, believing that the spherical shape symbolized eternity. The onion's popularity spread across the globe, from the Mediterranean to Asia and later to the Americas, where it became a core ingredient in countless cuisines. Throughout history, onions have been valued for their flavor, medicinal properties, and ease of cultivation. The onion's journey from a wild, small bulb to the cultivated vegetable we know today is rooted in its adaptability and resilience. Unlike many other crops, onions can thrive in diverse climates and soil types, making them a perfect crop for civilizations to grow and sustain. The plant is a member of the allium family, which includes garlic, leeks, and shallots. It grows from a single bulb, which, when left undisturbed, forms multiple layers as it matures. Its ability to be stored for long periods without spoiling made onions an essential food source during times of scarcity. The different varieties of onions, yellow, white, red, and even sweet onions, each have distinct flavors and uses in the kitchen. The cultivation of onions is a detailed and skilled process. They require a temperate climate with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil to thrive. While onions are typically grown from seeds, they can also be propagated from bulbs or sets, which are small, immature onions planted early in the season to produce a quicker harvest. Depending on the variety and the growing conditions, onions can take anywhere from 90 to 180 days to mature. Farmers typically harvest onions when the green tops begin to fall over, signaling that the bulbs have reached their full size. After harvesting, onions are carefully cured by drying them in a warm, well-ventilated area for several weeks, allowing them to store longer without spoiling. The onion has earned its place as a versatile ingredient in the culinary world. In almost every culture, it forms the foundation of many dishes, contributing depth, flavor, and texture. Onions are often sautéed as a base for soups, sauces, and stews, where their natural sweetness is brought out by the caramelization process. Raw onions are used in salads, sandwiches, and garnishes, providing a sharp contrast to other ingredients. They are also key to various regional specialties, such as French onion soup, onion bhaji in India, and the onion rings popular in American fast food. Despite their varying flavors, ranging from mild and sweet to pungent and spicy, onions can be adapted to suit almost any dish. Beyond their culinary use, onions have long been regarded for their medicinal properties. Traditional medicine systems in many cultures have recognized the health benefits of onions for centuries. Onions are rich in vitamin C and B6, as well as minerals like potassium and manganese. These nutrients help boost the immune system, support cardiovascular health, and improve bone density. The sulfur compounds in onions, which give them their distinct aroma, have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation and fight infections. Onions are also believed to support digestive health, as they are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and regularity. In addition to their general health benefits, onions have been used for specific ailments. In folk medicine, onion juice has been used as a remedy for coughs, colds, and congestion. The vegetable's antimicrobial properties are believed to help fight off bacteria and viruses, making it a natural choice for boosting immunity. Some cultures even place cut onions near a sick person's bed, believing that the onion will absorb toxins from the body, though this remains a popular folk practice rather than scientifically proven. The presence of antioxidants in onions also contributes to their ability to neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to the aging process. In recent years, the health benefits of onions have become a focus of scientific research, particularly in the field of heart health. Studies have shown that the sulfur compounds in onions can help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Onions are also believed to have anti-cancer properties, as they contain flavonoids like quercetin that have been shown to have protective effects against certain types of cancer. Additionally, onions are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Their high water content also helps with hydration and weight management. Onions are also significant in sustainable farming practices. As an easy-to-grow, low-maintenance crop, onions require minimal use of pesticides and fertilizers, making them an environmentally friendly option for farmers. They can be grown on small farms or large industrial plots, depending on the scale of production. Onions are often rotated with other crops to maintain soil health, as they can help reduce the incidence of pests and diseases that affect other plants. In some cases, the cultivation of onions even contributes to the reduction of greenhouse gases, as their cultivation can help absorb carbon from the atmosphere. In addition to their environmental impact, onions have cultural significance in various parts of the world. In many cultures, they are seen as a symbol of hospitality, abundance, and prosperity. Onions are often given as gifts during festivals or used in offerings to gods in various religious traditions. In some societies, the act of sharing a meal that features onions is seen as a gesture of friendship and goodwill. The vegetable's role in culinary rituals extends beyond food preparation. It is often woven into the fabric of cultural identity and pride. For example, in India, onions are considered a sacred food and are used in various traditional rituals and ceremonies. While onions are essential in kitchens and medicine cabinets, they have also made their way into the world of beauty. The juice of onions, particularly red onions, is sometimes used in hair care treatments, as it is believed to stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Onion oil, rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds, is applied in hair masks to strengthen hair follicles and prevent hair loss. Onions are also used in skincare products, as their antibacterial properties can help treat acne and other skin conditions. These uses reflect the versatility of onions beyond the nutritional and medicinal benefits. In the modern world, onions continue to be a crucial part of the global food supply chain. They are grown and harvested in almost every country, with China, India, and the United States being among the largest producers. The demand for onions remains consistently high due to their essential role in cooking and their health benefits. As global consumption of onions continues to rise, innovations in farming techniques, such as the development of more resilient onion varieties, help ensure a steady supply. Despite the challenges posed by climate change and pests, the onion's status as a global culinary and health commodity remains secure. As more people seek to incorporate healthier foods into their diets, onions are experiencing a resurgence in popularity. The growing awareness of their health benefits, coupled with their ability to be used in a wide range of dishes, has solidified their position as one of the most important vegetables in the world. Whether cooked, raw, or consumed as part of a supplement, onions continue to be a powerful tool for enhancing both flavor and health. Their rich history, numerous benefits, and culinary versatility make them a truly remarkable vegetable that will likely remain at the heart of cooking and wellness for generations to come. Onions have long been a symbol of resilience in the plant world. Their ability to thrive in diverse climates and soil types makes them one of the most widely cultivated crops. From the freezing plains of Siberia to the hot, arid climates of the Middle East, onions have been a reliable food source for centuries. This adaptability is due to the onion's deep-rooted systems and ability to conserve water, which allows it to survive in conditions where other crops might fail. This versatility has made onions an essential part of agricultural systems around the world, contributing to food security and local economies. The adaptability of onions also extends to their storage, as they can be kept for months under the right conditions without deteriorating, further cementing their value as a staple crop. Onions have played a central role in shaping culinary traditions across the globe. In European cuisines, onions are considered the backbone of cooking, providing the base for everything from soups and stews to sauces and dressings. In the Mediterranean region, onions are a key ingredient in dishes like ratatouille and moussaka, adding both flavor and texture. In Asia, onions are often used in stir-fries, curries, and pickles, contributing to the bold and aromatic flavors that characterize these cuisines. Across North and South America, onions are fried, grilled, or used raw in salsas and salads, further illustrating their global versatility. Regardless of the region or dish, onions enhance and elevate flavors, making them indispensable in the world's kitchens. The scientific study of onions has revealed that they contain a wide range of beneficial compounds that contribute to their health benefits. Beyond the well-known sulfur compounds, onions also contain flavonoids, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that have a positive impact on health. These compounds work together to protect the body from oxidative stress, which is linked to a variety of chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. The antioxidant properties of onions also support the body's detoxification processes, helping to eliminate harmful substances and protect cells from damage. This makes onions not only a flavorful addition to meals but also a powerful tool for improving overall health and well-being. Onions' impact on human health extends beyond their consumption as food. In various cultures, onion-based remedies have been passed down through generations as a natural treatment for ailments. From onion poultices to homemade onion syrups, these remedies are believed to provide relief for a variety of health issues. For example, Onion poultices have been used to treat chest congestion, while onion syrup has been an age-old remedy for coughs and colds. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of onions are central to these natural remedies, with many people swearing by the vegetable's healing powers. While these folk remedies are not always scientifically proven, they speak to the deep-rooted cultural belief in the onion's ability to improve health in holistic ways. Onions are also making waves in the realm of sustainable agriculture. As a crop that is relatively low maintenance and resistant to pests, onions require fewer chemicals than many other vegetables, making them an environmentally friendly choice for farmers. Additionally, onions are often used in crop rotation, helping to improve soil quality and reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers. Their natural resistance to certain pests and diseases also means that they can be grown with fewer pesticides, promoting healthier ecosystems and reducing the environmental impact of farming. As more farmers adopt organic and sustainable farming practices, the demand for onions grown without harmful chemicals is rising, ensuring that this vegetable remains both a nutritious and eco-friendly choice for future generations.